Hey friends, what's going on? So today I want to show you these two launchers. One is iOS look and the other one is Windows. So a lot of the times you probably, if you have an Android phone, you probably feel like you want something different. You want the phone look a little bit different than just the Android operating system. But not necessarily want to have an iPhone or a Windows phone. So I think this will be an option, and in my opinion these are the two best, by far most polished iOS launcher and Windows launcher. So let me go ahead and give you guys a tour here and show you the specs and how they work and all that, or the settings I should say. So let's start with the iOS launcher. We're using the Samsung Galaxy Note 3. So as you guys can see, it looks really cool, very realistic. Even the icons kind of look like the iOS icons. Everything is functional. Here are a couple of the transition effects. Really cool. And as you guys can see, it doesn't slow down the phone at all, and it's really quick. So basically right here at the bottom we click on menu, we're gonna get access to system settings and launcher settings. So system settings is gonna take you to the settings of the phone. So we're gonna click on launcher settings, and this is free, so you're gonna get a lot of advertising like this one. So just click the X there. So you get set background and set transitions effects. Those are basically the two settings. So the two bottom ones are just advertising. So we click on set background. We can change here the wallpaper or the background. So for example, let's pick this one right here. Click on save, and then we go back to the desktop. So that's how it looks like now. Also, excuse me. Also, as far as the transition effect, we go right here. We get all these different effects. I believe it's like 12 or 15 different effects. And then right now I'm using this one, flip vertical. Let's do zoom in. So that's another transition effect now. And I'll show you guys a couple of more. Let's look at rotate up. We get a quick error there, so let's go ahead and access again. So that's a different effect right there. Again, like I show you, there are so many different ones, so it's up to you, but my favorite one is this one right here. And as far as the applications, like I said, everything is functional. Here's the access to the phone. Let's see, here's access to YouTube. So let's go ahead and take a look now at the Windows launcher. Again, in my opinion, this is the best, most polished Windows launcher available right now. This version is free, but there are a couple of limitations, and also if you unlock it, just buy the app. Just for example, right here, as you guys can see, these are the news. The resolution of the news, it's blurry, but once you unlock it or pay for the app, this is gonna look just sharp, like high definition. So anyways, let's start here. Again, everything is functional. A lot of customization here. Just to give you guys an example, if you have pressed on an icon, you get a small menu here, and I'll bring the phone close. You get move title or tile, more options, and move group. If you click on more options, you get another menu. So right here you see change color, pin contact, add widget, flip on. If you click on change color, you get access to all these different colors, and from here you can click on a different color, and it's going to change the background of an icon. So let's continue here. Now, when you first download this, it's going to walk you through about 6 or 7 different screens, and it's going to ask you to add or pin a specific application to, for example, the phone, the text, the camera, the maps, etc., etc. So you just follow the prompts, and then after you basically assign an application to each of the titles, it's gonna upload the screen for you with all the titles that you selected. Just to give you guys an idea here, we get a menu here, icon size. You can change the size of the icons. Color, like I already showed you. I mean, you can change the whole color for all the icons, or you can change the color by icon if you wanna just. For example, right here, the application from YouTube, because that symbol is red. With the red in the background, it was kind of like hard to read it, so I changed it to blue or light blue. So you can change the entire application or just an icon. Also, preferences. This is more all the settings for the entire launcher. You get the layout. You can configure the clock. You get the 12-hour or 24-hour. The weather. You can right here assign the weather, the GPS to the weather. Now, right here, enable Gmail. This is also with the paid version. So once you unlock the application, same thing here with Twitter, and that's gonna you can add that as a tile, and it's gonna be updating, giving you updates of new emails, and showing you little previews of all the different messages that you're getting. Same thing with Twitter. With the news, this is what I was telling you. If you unlock it, the news is gonna look sharp. It's gonna look with a good quality, the picture of the news. So anyways, you get all these different settings right here. Live tiles, reload duration, image quality, font size, so on and so on. Let's see what else we have here. We have restart. We have tiles. Like I said, this feature is only available in the paid version. So, and then we click right here. We get access to the settings. I believe this is a setting for the main settings of the phone. Yeah. And then if you click right here, it's gonna take you to your app drawer. In case you wanna, open an application that is a part of your tiles, you're gonna be able to access it from there. So there you have it, guys. I mean, in my opinion, these are the two best looking and most polished iOS launcher and Windows launcher. For those of you that have an Android phone, you want to give your phone a different look, but you don't necessarily want an iPhone or you don't want a Windows phone. I think this is the way to go. Both applications, I believe, have a paid version. You can use it like this, but like I said, a couple of things here will work better if you buy it or unlock it. For the news, you can actually customize the news per country. I believe this is right now showing news from Argentina, but it's gonna give you a list of all different countries all over the world, and you can customize that. So, which I think it's a good thing, because like if you live in the US and you're not from here and you want to get news based on your country, you can do that and get access right here to all notifications and news from your own country. Guys, let me give you before we go the name of this launcher. So right here on the iOS launcher, The name is iOS 7 Launcher, and the name of the developer is App Supermarket. On the HTC One Max, let's take a quick look here at the market. The name of this Windows launcher, it's called Windows 8 launcher. The developer is TechVision Systems. So friends, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more. Again, this was a quick look here at the iOS or iPhone launcher and a Windows launcher for Android phones. So guys, thank you, and we'll see you later.